Hello, welcome back to my channel. So, Christmas is around the corner and it's just a week until Christmas. So, I'm going to make some beautiful Christmas cards today using my recent favorite watercolor brush pens. And there will be 5 cards in today's tutorial. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video and start making all the 5 pretty Christmas cards. So, starting with our card number 1, where my main idea will be to paint Christmas bells. How can we talk about Christmas without mentioning the bells, right? Bells have been traditionally associated with Christmas for a very long time. Anyways, after making a quick rough sketch of these Christmas bells, I will now start to color them. The colors used for these paintings is that of watercolor brush pens, and I'm also using these water brush instead of using the regular brushes. As you can see here that I am not applying the brush pens directly on the paper. What I have done here is transfer the sketch pen ink on my palette, did all the color mixing on the palette itself, and then lift the color up with the help of my brush. However, the watercolor technique that I'm using here is wet on dry. You will also see me using the sketch pens directly on the paper in the later stages, so enjoy watching. So moving on to our Christmas card number 2, and the main theme of this card will be Christmas lantern. However, I have also added some other Christmas decoration to make the painting a little more gorgeous to remind us of the grandeur of Christmas celebrations. So after making a quick sketch of the painting, I am again filling it with colors in a similar way as done in the Christmas card number 1. This painting will also have quite a many details and will resemble a watercolor painting. And this is how our second card has turned out. Moving on to our Christmas card number 3, we will be painting a snowman now. One of the most beloved symbols of Christmas is this gentleman, and we see countless variation of this cherished figure everywhere during this season and especially during Christmas. So let's start painting this cutie. And yes, this painting will be a little on the easier side and hence will be perfect for the beginners. So enjoy watching. Now it's time to make our card number 4, and it's going to be a super easy one, I promise. There's not much to explain the process, so you just see it by yourself and enjoy, and do tell me later how you found it. To make the process super duper easy, I am using the sketch pens directly on paper for making the pine leaf. But if you are someone who can manage brushes well and can do it by using brushes, then I would suggest you to do that. Because using brushes will definitely give it a super fine finish and the painting will look extremely realistic. But in this case, I am using the sketch pens directly. However, I'll be using some detailing brush in the later stages to give some finishing touches. Now moving on to card number 5, which will be the easiest of them all. And I have saved the easiest for the last. And it's super duper easy. So follow me and you will be able to figure it out all by yourself. So enjoy! So that was all for today, guys. I hope you liked today's video, and if you really did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. And yes, don't forget to click on the bell notification to stay notified about all the videos that I upload on my channel. A very Merry Christmas in advance. I will meet you again very soon in my next video. Till then, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey. Bye bye.